welcome back to Country Views. I'm a little tired today, sorry guys, but I wanted to tell you that we have a special video today. I'm painted up like a kitty cat because tomorrow is Halloween, so I thought I'd do a special video about Halloween. So we're going to be making some spooky looking tostadas, which is really, really yummy. Okay guys, so just remember, I'm going to start adding the description, the ingredients. So be sure to look at the description for the ingredients for the tostadas if you like it. So I'm going to come on over here and start you off with the oil. I have some vegetable oil over here heating up on about 6.5. Now I always show this trick. I have this wooden chopstick. You put it in there, see the bubbles? If it bubbles around the chopstick, that means your oil is ready. And over here, I have some shells. These are corn tortillas. I always get the white corn, which I left it here for you guys to see. Okay, I just get the great value white corn. You get about 80 in there for about $3-4 bucks. It's really good. So you want to just drop this right into your oil flat, okay? And you want to let it fry up for a minute on one side, okay? And then you want to flip it over. Keep your tongs on the middle for a little bit because the sides will cook up quicker than the middles, you guys, okay? And I just keep flipping it because I like my tostada really crunchy. I'm going to keep frying this up, and then I will show you what this looks like when this one is done frying up. And then after that, I'll continue frying them up, and then I'll come back after that. But let me finish frying this one up to show you guys how crispy it comes out. You want to have enough oil. It's kind of like deep frying, but you don't want to overdo the oil, you guys. And while I'm frying this up, I just wanted to say Happy Halloween, you guys. You know, Country Views does do some Halloween. We don't get a lot of trick-or-treaters around out here from what I'm hearing. We weren't here last year for Halloween. This is our first Halloween here. So we're just doing our spooky videos here, and then the kids are going to be going out somewhere else to their little Halloween parties and whatnot. Maybe do some trunk and treats or something. Okay, guys, so it's gonna look like this. Nice and crispy, okay? And over here, I have some paper towels on a plate. You want to drain it on there because you don't want a greasy tostada. So I'm gonna continue frying these up, and then when I'm done with these, I'll come back and show you how to assemble them. Okay, guys, so I have the tortillas all fried up. They look like this. They're real crispy, crispy. You'll see here in a minute when we take a bite into it how crunchy it will be. And then over here, I have some chopped up jalapenos that I'm going to be putting in the beans with some cheese to make it ooey gooey, kind of spooky, stringy. And then I have some sliced jalapenos and lettuce. And I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned to make for Halloween to make them fun for the kids, you guys. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to come over here to my beans. I already got them heating up. You want to add, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk in here, depending on how creamy you want them, okay? And then you're just going to come over here, and you're going to put your jalapenos right in your beans, the ones that you have chopped off, seeds and all. The seeds will soften as they get warm. Alright, so you just want to stir them in. Let me dry my hands here so I don't get jalapeno juice on me. So just give them a good stir in. Halloween is all about spooky and goblins and weird looking stuff, and there's always a lot of green in it. So when the kids bite into it, they're going to have a stringy bean that they're biting into and something green in it. Alright, so you just put a little bit of cheese in there, you guys. Alright, just enough to make it a little stringy. Give it a good stir. You want to get these real hot because they're better when they're real hot. Okay. And let that just keep cooking up until this cheese is melted. And when this cheese is fully melted and incorporated, then you know they're ready to start smearing on your tostada. Okay? So, they look about done. You think they're about done, Austin? So, I have my son video cameraing me today. My English accent's coming out. Sorry, guys. My grandma is from England, and she had to take a ferry over from England to come over to marry my grandpa. So I have a little bit of English in me and some Portuguese and a little French. So, but the only French word I know is parlez-vous français, which means, do you speak French? All right, so I just have these on low, getting warm. All right. So, these look done to me. So, I'm going to come over here, okay? And I'm going to take my tostada like this. And you want to put about 1 scoop, depending on what size your scooper is, okay? And you want to smear them out to the middle. Or, I'm sorry, out to the sides. It's been a busy day today. Plus, the rain today does not help. Okay, so now you want to put some more cheese on top, you guys. And depending on how much cheese you like, you can put little or much. But I put about that much because there's already cheese in the beans, okay? So now, here's what I'm going to do to make it spooky for the kids, okay? You want to put your lettuce on first and make sure you spread it out real well, okay? And my family loves a lot of lettuce, so make sure you spread it out good. Okay? Now, you want to come over here and you want to make some eyeballs. Like this. And then you take this and you make a scary little nose. And then you're going to take your ranch and you're going to draw on a face here, if I can get this open. Let's see if I can do this without it coming out fast, Austin. Let's see here. So you just draw on your face. We'll put it like that and like that since it's a glob. We'll put another one here. We'll make it look like snot. I know it kind of looks gross, but what is Halloween about? About being gross, right? And scary, you guys? So, now my son likes hot sauce, so now I'm just going to go around like this and make it look like blood. So how does that look? You think that's cute, bub? Now, you don't have to eat the stem, but I put it as a nose. Okay? So, there's yours. I'm going to make me up one so I can also taste test as well. Okay? Now, I'm not going to put the spooky face on mine, you guys, because I'm not one of the kids. But I did dress up for you guys today a little bit by having a kitty cat face. I thought it'd be fun for you guys to see me all dressed up with the kitty cat. Alright, so here again, you put a little cheese. Okay. Like this. And then I'm going to put me some lettuce on here. About like so. And I'm just going to throw my jalapenos right on top. I like a lot of jalapenos, you guys. I'm the jalapeno queen, I tell you. And then I'm just going to throw my ranch right on top. Okay, like so. And then I'm going to put my hot sauce right on top. Now, some people has put enchilada sauce on them, too, which kind of tastes like the Taco Bell tostadas. I've done that as well. But it depends on what kind of mood I'm in, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to hand you your plate here, bub, and I'm going to flip the camera around. There you go. You guys hear that crunch? Take another bite, bub, so they can hear that crunch. Yeah. Give me a thumbs up, bub, for some oh so yummy. Oh so yummy? Okay, so I'm going to give the camera back to him, and you guys are going to watch me take a bite, because I am starving, and I'm ready to try this. So good, you guys. That crunch is so good. Yummy. Alright, guys. Well, thank you for visiting Country Views. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment below at the bottom. I love it when my friends and families react to me. I will message everybody back that comments. So be sure to check me out. And I'm also on Facebook. I have a page called Country Views. And I have Instagram called Country Views as well. Check me out there and like and comment there as well. Thank you and have a happy